Practical Word English. Student Avendaño Valentín. Teacher Pia Vivas. Topic COVID-19. Well, the truth is that this situation is very complicated. Sometimes I usually say how terrible it is to be locked up, but then I think that we are people who are no longer here because this virus took them away, and I realize that being locked up is nothing. Personally, I try to take all measures like staying at home, washing my hands, and that. I hope we get out of this. I think that we are going to get out because um, good is bigger. I trust in him. I think he is the one who will give us the strength and inspiration to get out of this. Good is love. Amen.